Hello, Miss Gary, and I hope you're doing well this evening. So I wanted to answer your question because it's an excellent question, and it looks like they got a little trick going on, but really they don't. So this equation right here gives you the price of a bond as interest rates in the economy change. So this coupon right here, that coupon is the dollar that you're going to earn on this bond every year. Okay? So if basically if it's a par value bond of $1,000 and you would get an 8% coupon in the contract, you would get $80 a year. 8% of 1,000 is $80. Okay? So that's what coupon is. That's in dollars. Y is the yield to maturity, and Y is the interest rates in the market that have changed since you bought this bond and you locked into that coupon rate, which is giving you this dollar amount in coupons. So if interest rates go up in the on comparable bonds, the price of your bond should go down, and if interest rates go down on comparable bonds in the market, the price of your bond should go up because you have something with greater value, right? It's paying you a greater coupon rate. So this is that equation right there, right? And so that gives you the price. And also, as you know, we're going to end up using Excel to do this, and I'll go over that in more detail Saturday. I'm going to spend a couple classes on bonds. It's real important. All right. So again, so this is the coupon in dollars. This is the par value at maturity, which is normally $1,000. So let's go to that example, which you have an excellent question on. And I got to change pages here. Give me a second. I believe it's on 180. Okay, so here's that question you had about equation 180. And you looked at these numbers, and you were absolutely correct in seeing these 10, 5, and 3, and saying, oh, that's a coupon rate. That's 10%, 5%, and 3%, right? So you kind of said, why are they plugging in, instead of putting dollars here, why are they putting the interest rate? Indeed, they're not putting an interest rate. So here is your 10, here is your 5, and here is your 3 coupon rate. Now, what they say at the end of the problem, it says, what is the price of each bond per $100 face value? All right? So let me highlight that. Per $100 face value. All right. So 10% of 100 is $10. That's $10. Do you see that? So 10% of 100 is $10. 5% of 100 is $5, and 3% of 100 is $3. And over here we're putting in the yield to maturity, which is what they gave you, okay, over here. So, just to make everything clear, it's a 10, 5, and 3% of $100, which will give you $10, $5, and $3. And I have my yield to maturity of 5%, which they gave you. Now, notice this. Notice that the per $100, interest rates were 10%, and they've gone down to 5% in the economy. So your price of your bond should have gone above $100, and indeed it did. It's now worth $176. Basically, interest rates have stayed the same here, right? 5% and 5%. So the bond has not moved away from par. So you can clearly see right here, the bond is still at par. And over here, interest rates have gone down. Basically, I'm sorry, they've gone up. Here you were getting a 3% coupon, right, on your bond when you bought it in the contract. And interest rates have gone up to 5%. So if interest rates go up on new bonds that are comparable, the price of your bond is going to go down because you have something with less value. Okay, so you have less value. So here the price of your bond has gone down, right? Because interest rates have gone up. Here you're still at par. Interest rates have not changed. And over here, interest rates have gone down. So the price of your bond goes up because you have something with more value. I hope I answered your question. If not, you can email me back. Okay. Thanks a lot.